Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to meet my American friend who has been here in Thailand for a week. Now I'm waiting for her in a cozy cafe in Bangkok. There! She comes. Hi, Jessica. Welcome to Thailand.
Hello, Ben. Happy to see you.
Thanks. It's always a pleasure to see you too. Well, Jessica, you've been here for a week. What's your favorite place here so far?
Oh, it's hard to pick, but I'd say the night markets. The energy, the colors, and the food are just amazing.
Great choice. Speaking of food, have you found a favorite Thai dish yet?
Definitely, Pad Kra Pao. The flavors are incredible, especially with the fried egg on top.
A classic. Have you tried anything else that stood out?
Oh, mango sticky rice. It's so sweet and refreshing, perfect after a spicy meal.
Good pick. If you had to recommend Thailand to someone, how would you describe it?
I'd say it's a sensory adventure, vibrant, flavorful, and warm, just like the people.
Oh, that's so sweet to hear. So, what's next on your Thai bucket list?
The Southern Islands, for sure. I've heard the beaches are incredible.
They are. You'll love it there. Thanks for sharing, Jessica. It's been fun hearing your perspective.
Thank you, Ben. It's been amazing experiencing your country.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends and students, and subscribe to English Teacher Resource Hub by Crew Ben Facebook page for more tips and tutorials. Have a nice day.